To come over just for the sunset sail, I'd come over. Tiny little boats like going over.
I forgot to mention this, but if anybody wants to help me.
Like the rocks and there's some trees and some grass now. We want to keep those two lined up, and we're gonna go straight in like this. Yeah. Yeah, I know. We'll stay floating. We got Lunenburg in the background. We can see what our heading is. Let's see. We are headed at 2:20, right, Captain? Yeah. Oh no, wait. Yeah, no. I don't see seals. Sometimes you never know.
You're going to Newfoundland.
Yes, of course. You guys are privateers for sure.
Yeah. The seal's gone.
Huh? The seal's gone? I
Yeah.
think it's still there, isn't it?
Assuming it's coming out the other side. No?
Yeah, he's moving. I can see he's moving to the left.
You should have left breadcrumbs, Jane. I don't see the cow.
Yeah.
Always stays the same temperature pretty much a little bit, and then the land gets hot in the daytime.
Yeah.
And when the hot land air meets the cool sea air, that's our midday breeze. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that Scott Drum?
Yeah. Should go to the
Yes.
museum. A lot.
And then horse. And he took him up on it. And horse turned out to be a real winner, but like a.
First thing we found when I cut a light bulb in.
And you don't go and have a tour and this is over here.
Harbour tour.
Oh, it does feel warmer. Thank goodness. And it was because the sailors did not trust the motor enough to go out without any sails on it. And they only did that for a short while though. They come at it nose first, we're good.